The aging Indian Air Force, challenges and paths to modernization. The Indian Air Force, IAF, one of the world's most formidable aerial combat forces, is at a crucial juncture. While India maintains numerical strength, a significant portion of its fighter fleet is aging and in dire need of replacement. This documentary delves into the challenges faced by the IAF, from delays in indigenous aircraft production to geopolitical constraints affecting foreign acquisitions. The legacy fleet, aging fighters in service. The IAF currently operates a diverse fleet of aircraft, many of which are decades old. The MiG-21, once the backbone of the force, has become synonymous with accidents due to its obsolescence. While phased retirement is underway, the MiG-21 still serves in limited numbers. Similarly, India's Mirage 2000 jets from France, acquired in the 1980s, are facing maintenance and spare parts shortages. Though they have been upgraded, their lifespan is limited. The backbone of the IAF, the Su-30 MKI, remains a capable aircraft. However, its operational availability has been affected by delays in spare parts and the need for constant maintenance. The aging fleet and maintenance backlogs pose a critical challenge in maintaining air superiority. Tejas, the indigenous hope. The Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Tejas fighter jet has been touted as India's homegrown solution to the aging fleet crisis. However, its development has been marred by delays, technological hurdles, and concerns over production speed. While the Tejas Mk1 variant is an improvement, its limited numbers do not yet offer a full-scale replacement for retiring aircraft. Furthermore, India's ambition to develop a fifth-generation advanced medium combat aircraft, AMCA, is still in its early stages, with operational deployment expected only in the 2030s. The delay in indigenous jet engine development, particularly India's reliance on U.S. collaboration for high-thrust engines, has further hampered rapid progress in domestic fighter jet production. The jet engine dilemma and dependence on foreign technology. One of the critical issues in India's indigenous fighter program is the lack of a powerful and efficient jet engine. The Kaveri engine, initially planned for the Tejas, failed to meet performance requirements. India has been in talks with the United States for advanced jet engine technology, but negotiations have been slow, with concerns over intellectual property sharing. The delay in acquiring an indigenous high-thrust engine means India remains dependent on foreign suppliers like the U.S. for F-414 engines used in the Tejas Mk2. Meanwhile, countries like France and Russia have offered assistance, but the integration of their technology would require significant modifications to existing airframes. Global acquisition challenges. The search for a fifth-generation fighter. The IAF has been seeking a fifth-generation fighter jet to counter regional threats from China and Pakistan. India was initially part of the Russian Sukhoi Su-57 PAKFA program, but later withdrew due to concerns over stealth capabilities, engine reliability, and cost. However, with India's current urgency in modernizing its fleet, Russia has renewed its offer of the Su-57, showcasing the aircraft at the upcoming Bengaluru Air Show. Meanwhile, the United States has been reluctant to offer its advanced F-35 fighter to India, citing strategic and geopolitical concerns. The F-35, used by several NATO allies and key U.S. partners, is unlikely to be sold to India anytime soon, further complicating the IAF's modernization roadmap. France has successfully sold the Rafale to India, which has strengthened the IAF's capabilities, but additional Rafale acquisitions remain expensive and politically sensitive. The Russian equation. Will India lean towards Moscow again? With the United States hesitant on the F-35 and delays in indigenous programs, Russia has emerged as a strong contender to fill the gap. Moscow is willing to sell the Su-57, despite its mixed reception in the defense community. Russia has also proposed an improved variant for India, with potential joint production options. Given India's historical ties with Russia and the continued supply of Su-30 MKIs, India may consider this option as an interim solution. However, concerns remain over the Su-57's combat readiness, stealth capabilities, and India's ability to maintain long-term logistical support, especially in light of Western sanctions on Russia. The road ahead for the IAF. The Indian Air Force stands at a crossroads. It faces an urgent need to replace its aging fleet while navigating geopolitical constraints and technological delays. The development of the Tejas and AMCA is crucial for long-term self-reliance, but short-term solutions may still rely on foreign acquisitions. Whether India leans towards Russia with the Su-57, expands its Rafale fleet, or accelerates indigenous programs will shape its air power for the coming decades. The upcoming Bengaluru Air Show could provide insights into India's next move, determining whether it will continue a diversified approach or deepen ties with a strategic partner. One thing is certain, the modernization of the IAF is not just a necessity, it is a matter of national security in an increasingly uncertain global landscape.